So we just brought a product and we are gonna unbox it together. I did take off the straps because I got a little too excited and thought I wanted to unbox it, but then I slapped them back on, didn't even open it yet. So let's unbox this item. The all new Mac Mini. I've been excited for this because they have the new M4 chip, also a 10 core CPU, and then also a 10 core GPU. And it's extremely tiny. I wanted to connect the microphone so the audio should sound a little better. Did that sound satisfying? This is absolutely a beauty. This is so tiny in the hand. This is smaller than my face. Oh wow, this is insane. But let's go ahead and let's just start off with this. Let's start off with this. We are gonna get 3 USB Thunderbolt USBs, 1 HDMI, 1 Ethernet cable, and then also a power plug. Oh, and then you also get 2 extra USB-C ports right here in the front. On the bottom of the device, you're gonna get your power button, as well as, I'm assuming these are like fan vents. What's inside the box? All we have is a power cable. It's the only thing that comes with it. I was hoping it would come with like a Thunderbolt cable, maybe for like a Thunderbolt HDMI type situation, USB-C to HDMI, but I think I do have an extra one. So but this was just an unboxing, and let me know if you guys want to see me set it up or see how my setup would be in the future for it. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and very much appreciated for 302 subscribers, and love you guys. Peace.